The breathing fire. Inhale, sit straight in the morning in empty stomach. Sit straight, the spine should be straight and smiling face. Concentration, meditation, what I am doing. Concentrate on that point, to that point. And exhale and pull your belly inside. This is Shunya Mudra. Breathing fire. In Sanskrit, ancient Indian yoga, so in Sanskrit it is Kapalbhati. Kapal means face. Bhati means to glow. Our face will glow. If we are habituated to do it daily in the morning for 15 minutes, the face will glow. That means we will be happy, there will be peace in mind, and our body will be fit, and there will be no disease at all. So this is Kapalbhati, most important pranayam in ancient Indian yoga. For the beginners, you cannot do correctly. So what to do? Now please see that how it is being done. For the beginners, you cannot do correctly. So for them, start like this. Ten strokes, stop. If you are tired, take rest and then start again. What to do? Only exhale, not to inhale. Because when we are exhaling, automatically oxygen will go inside, and if there is slight cold, then use start again. And if there is pain on your back, then do Bhujangasana. If you are feeling pain, we are feeling pain here, stop. Slowly inhale and exhale, Bhastrika Pranayama. Then again start. So we can do like this also. What is the benefit? All the important points are being pressed. Abdominal glands, this kidney, sugar point, all, and this is liver point. So like this. Concentrate. Meditation is concentration on this point. We are only exhaling and pulling our belly inside. This is Kapalbhati, the breathing fire. There will be fire inside our body. You see, I'm in now West Lafayette, USA. The temperature is now it is 10 a.m. in the morning and the temperature is -1 degree. But I'm feeling hot, so I have to open. Next, Kapalbhati, we have to continue. These two hands has touched the body. That means our skeleton is erect. Take rest. God is there, very kind. He has given everything in our body. We have to charge it. We have to follow the sun. We have to get up early in the morning and sleep early. You have to sleep at 10 a.m., 10 p.m. and get up at 6. So, education or work, if you start at 5, it will be better than that in the night. So again, if we put the fingers here and do Kapalbhati like this, we can do other acupressures also. This is master point, left hand, top, this pressure point, Press other points. Go on changing. When we will got any pain, when you will get any pain, suppose I have some arthritis. So if there is pain, so press that point more, 20 times. But the primary thing is Kapalbhati. It should not be stopped. Ancient Indian yoga is 6,000 years old. June 21st is International Yoga Day. Now the world is following the protocol. His kidney point, his thyroid point, and in between it is the kidney point. Other hand, remain happy and healthy till death.